A studio apartment is a small home where you live, sleep and eat all in one room. You really can do everything in a studio apartment if you design it thoughtfully. In this video we will show you how you can divide your studio into separate zones. 1. Bookshelves. A bookcase behind the bed. You have created a separate bedroom area. Style the bookcase with plants, books and unique items to make it a statement piece. 2. IKEA Kallax bookcase. The IKEA Kallax bookcase is often used for dividing spaces. It works so well, because not only does it create storage spaces, but because the cubicles are open which you can see through, and it also lets through natural light and which makes it feel less cramped. A small open bookcase is just enough to create a separate bedroom zone. 3. Plywood bookshelf. A studio apartment now looks like a one-bedroom apartment thanks to the plywood bookshelf. The openings make sure there's no natural light lost in underneath cabinets, creates that much needed storage space if you live in a small home. 4. Shelving system. An open shelving system behind the bed creates a more private sleeping area. 5. Rugs. You can use rugs to create separate zones. Usually they are used in the sitting area of a studio. Not only are they great for dividing purposes, but they also bring warmth and texture to a space. Not only the rug helps in dividing the studio, but the artwork as well. By only placing artwork above the sofa and keep the bedroom area free of wall art do you create different zones. 6. Screens. Screens are ideal in a studio apartment because they are so flexible. You can move it to any area you want to block from view. Plus you can also use it to hang clothes or other items. 7. Loft bed. If you don't mind climbing up every evening and if you're not afraid of falling out of bed, then you can choose a loft bed. It saves a ton of room, plus your bedroom area is pretty much out of sight. A pink studio apartment with loft bed. Underneath the loft there's a walk-in closet. 8. Curtain. By using a curtain you can hide a certain aspect of your studio. It can be used to create a separate bedroom area, but you can also use it to hide shelves that might look cluttered. And bringing some texture into a home is always a good idea. 9. Canopy bed. A canopy bed creates a separate zone for your bed, plus you can use it to hang curtains to close it off even more, or you can use it to showcase your clothes or add some greenery with hanging plants. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.